Hello everyone, we are at Mount Bonnell in Austin, Texas. Thought we'd go on a hike, especially since I got my new drone last week, so I'm really excited to be here. And there are some really cool little tidbits that I like about this spot and why I wanted to come here today, other than the fact it's a beautiful day. Mount Bonnell is a part of an Indian trail that leads into Austin, and it was used a lot in the mid-19th century. It's also been referred to as Antoinette's Leap, because there was apparently a woman, legend says, leapt to her death to avoid being captured by Native Americans who had killed her fiance. And it is made entirely of limestone, which is pretty cool. It is commonly mistaken as the highest point in Austin at 775 feet above sea level. I used to hike a lot whenever I was in Albuquerque before I moved to Austin, but then pandemic happened, so I've not gotten to explore the outdoors as much as I'd like to, and I know there are a lot of really great places to go hiking here. We're just gonna explore a little bit, so explore with me. I'm almost at the top where the pavilion is. Really easy hike, very simple. I think there are trails that go further down, but I haven't ventured that way yet. A beautiful sunset, which you can't really see very well with this camera. It was funny because there was a couple that had like a really nice dinner or something planned, something special. So I took a shot for them on the drone. We have made it to the pavilion here, to the top. So I found the stairs. I'm gonna actually count them and see if it's 102 like it says online. Because if not, they'd be lying. Here is the front where the steps start. So we're gonna go up all of the stairs to hike up to the top, and I'll see you up there. Let's go. We're on step 51, which means we're halfway there, supposedly, so let's see. Okay, so I counted 111 steps to get to right here, and that's not counting those couple of steps. I'm parched. So the drone was a hit because I got stopped so many times about it. DJI, if you see this video, how about you sponsor me? But yeah, seriously, a few people were asking about it and were taking down information. One person asked for my YouTube channel, which was kind of cool. Now this is a little bit closer to actual hiking. I found a nice trail kind of off path a little bit, so wanting to do some exploring down in here really quick. I really miss doing these types of hikes. That's the one thing that I can give Albuquerque credit for that I loved about living there. Which way should I go? Left, right, left, right, left, right. I feel like in video games you're always supposed to go left, and that's what they always say to do, but I went right, so hopefully I don't die.
Moments later.
Okay, I'm gonna get back to a little more civilization than where I'm at right now. This is a really cool place though. Like, I just wish it wasn't so crowded, but other than that, it's a nice little hiking spot if you're wanting to do something really quick. Oh no. I think I needed to go down right there. No, I think I'm right. Oh my goodness. No, I'm right. I was right. This is it. Let's see if we can find a spot to close the video out if I don't hurt myself. I hope you all enjoyed watching some of the footage around Mount Bonnell here at Covert Park, and I had a blast with this, and I hope you found it just as beautiful as I did. Nature. Comment down below to let me know if you'd like to see more sites in Austin that I could do some really cool footage over, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't tell anyone I did that. Bye!